we need people that are gonna, like, you can't have your data person be as competitive and fiery as you. If they are, like, who are you gonna hire to be the data person? Like, there's room for everybody. And this is something that, we talk about the disc profile is like, you can't judge people. And what happens all initially, every time I see this, is the first time we learn about disc, like, we're always judging each other. Like, it's not a judgment thing. It's a recognition thing. It's recognizing this about yourself, recognizing this about other people.
Oh yeah. Well, and Andy Frisella, he was like, some people are just like, they pack boxes and they love their life and that's what they do. And there's nothing wrong with that. And like, they're happy. They're probably more blissful than me and you. They don't hate themselves with competitiveness, all that. And it's okay.
Yeah. I still remember, right? Like, someone asked me a long time, like, why am I busting my butt so hard? And I told them, like, I wish I could be okay chewing on edibles, playing PlayStation in an apartment. I wish I could.
Right? Don't you wish that felt amazing? Like, don't you wish like you would be okay and not just sit there and have your brain melt and hate yourself and like, oh man, I gotta go do something. I gotta do more.
Yeah.
This dude over there is doing more.
I wish I could do that, but no, it's always gonna be like, I gotta go chase that guy. I gotta go catch that guy. Right. And I put it out there. I'm putting it out in the universe, right? I'm coming for Grant Cardone, right? Like,
hell yeah.
We're always pushing each other, pushing ourselves, and I don't know. That's just kind of how we are. That falling forward type of deal.